Hello! In front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning enter Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Now install it. Open. Tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text to speech.
Disconnected.
Now name your function, give it description and tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.